name of bird? Blue.
And the other name is rainbow.
Ah, cool, cool.
But rainbow is flying away.
Oh, rainbow is gone.
Yes.
Do you think you can find it?
I don't know.
Ah.
You will say I need to babies, you know.
Ah.
They cannot fly so long time, only 10 meters.
Okay, okay. I was wrong, of course. It was a kind of parakeet or something. I don't know name actually. But one is gone. I think he found one or something. And I hope they're gonna talk to each other or something. I hope he found it. He's a nice guy. And it was okay for me to film him. I say ask for permission first.